House music.
What up, guys? Okay, so welcome to another vlog, you guys. If you're new, please subscribe. Okay, in this vlog a lot of things are going to happen anyways, but the most important part of this vlog, at least for now, is the fact that I want to make brownies. You guys, I've always wanted to make brownies. I've always wanted to learn how to bake here, but now thanks to YouTube and Pinterest, I want to try some brownies. Maybe the next time I'm going to make cookies and also bake a cake. But for now, we start with brownies, y'all. So brownies coming up. I want to go to ShopRite, you guys. I'm waiting for my Uber, so I'll just head from now to ShopRite and buy some of the ingredients I need. I just hope it's not too much. And this brownie is going to be microwave baked. It's the best thing for a rookie, y'all. So if you're new, please subscribe, like this video. You guys like my videos, please always like my videos. Like as you're watching, just like it, okay? But it's AMA to the Zero freaking and Amazon, and let's get into this vlog.
8 hours ago.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just finished my workout. I've had a glass of water. Now I'm going to rush and take a shower because I am sweating. If you're hearing something in the background, that's podcast. I'm listening to Jay Shetty featuring Mel Robbins on his podcast today on Spotify on purpose. You guys should listen to it if you need a good podcast to listen to. I stand, seriously, I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna rush and take a bath. I look crazy. This is the first time I'm working out in months. I'm talking 7-8 months. I know.
Or are you going to face pain and discomfort?
But I feel great, yeah? I do. Hey guys, so I just had my shower. I can't remember the last time I had my shower early like this early. But I just had my shower today, and yeah, I don't mind my face. It's not sweat. It's my face toner. I had to apply my face toner because y'all know the drill around this blog. Now I'm going to make breakfast. I think I'm going to have oats. But my apple is so cold and probably frozen by now. But I'm going to have oats, you guys. Oats and milk. That's all, period. So yeah, let's do that, okay? So my oats is ready. You guys have a weird, very quick way of making oats. I just fill I put my oats here. I use 5 spoons of oats. And then I fill it up with water. I toss it into the microwave for 3 minutes. And then I add my milk later. And it's ready, period. First time visiting ShopRite here in Lagos. Let's see what's the difference between ShopRite Lagos and ShopRite Abuja. Let me show you a quick outfit of the day, what I'm wearing real quick, okay? I have a t-shirt on from a brand I work with, Nubia Nature, and then I wore this high. So I'm trying to get Uber, you guys, and Bolt. I don't know why I keep saying Uber. It's Bolt, for crying out loud. I just hope I get a good driver. I don't want to have headache today. I'm not in the mood to fight with Bolt drivers. They do the most, and I'm not in the mood for that. Okay. So Anthony is my driver and should be arriving in 4 minutes. Did you see that? Oh, I don't want the sun to go, guys. I need to take you guys with me. I love showing you guys the scenery of Lagos. So, hi. Good evening. Please, I ordered a ride. Guys, I just got back. I'm tired. This thing is not happening this night, so I bought a snack for myself. I'm going to eat that snack and probably drink Coke and go to bed. I'm not doing this night. Till tomorrow. We'll do a mini grocery haul tomorrow. So, good night. Hey guys, good morning. So I'm not sure how good I look this morning, but yo, this is the reality of things. So I'm going to do a quick grocery haul of some of the things that I bought yesterday. I'm going to show you guys, and all of these things, you guys, they amounted to almost 4 times the budget I had in mind. Yeah, almost 4 times, seriously. But let's do a quick grocery haul, and then we'll get into prepping my ingredients and preparing them and setting them aside. Okay, yeah. But today is brownie day. Up guys, so these are all the ingredients I'll be using, of course, except the groundnut oil or vegetable oil, so ignore that. I just use the eggs, the chocolate, the butter, the flour, and then I use the Milo as my cocoa powder substitute. So I'm following this 1 minute 4G brownie recipe from Emma's Goodies, and I think I did not have any creaming to mine, like an extra butter or anything. But then to get started, you have to melt your butter and your chocolate, okay, for like less than a minute. And once they're properly melted, you add your sugar and then you add your milk. I use this fresh milk, guys. I think I added 2 cups of the milk. Then I added like 3 cups of the flour, I guess. I can't remember, but you just keep adding until you really satisfied with the consistency. But after like a lot of flour, I was satisfied with this consistency, so I just went with it. Now I don't have parchment paper, so I decided to use butter to line my container, and then use some flour around it, so it just serves as parchment paper. Then I poured in my butter. You could use a thicker butter, but I wanted something really moist. And then my chocolate chips, okay? Then I tossed that into the microwave for 5 minutes. I kept checking with the whole toothpick method, right? I created a mess, so I just thought, you know what, clean it up, because I ain't gonna bring out that, with all the mess out there. So yeah, I did that. But at very high heat, I think you could do this in just 5 minutes. So this is a test where it's done. When you bring it out and then the toothpick is really neat, then it's ready. Now this is what that butter and flour did for me. my cake or brownie came out seamlessly. Look at that. But all the chocolates went to the bottom. I don't care really. So it was time to just set it, and then I decided to cut that. Look, guys, I was so excited about this, and because B, my roomie, was like, this is tasty. She loved it. She said it was moist even when it was cold. Look at all that chocolate melted in there, baby. Oh, so I had 6 chips. 2 of it was very filling, but I took pictures for the gram. Look at that. I'm good, babies. Would you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, I'll also be bringing you a video on this beautiful recipe. This is homemade cookies, very healthy and tasty, so stay subscribed.